Hi guys, this is 2022 Toyota Hilux. So we have this message on the cluster. You can see the check engine light, traction control light, recirculation, all the system display on. So when we erase this code, this comes straight away back. So we have to find what's the code. Okay guys, we scanned the car, we found this code. P040371 exhaust gas recirculation A actuator stuck. Okay, here's the EGR valve. We have off this all the pole, take it out. This is the connector. Okay guys, here's the EGR valve. This actuator is completely stuck, so that's why is the code's coming. So we need to replace this whole part. So the internal failure. So okay guys, I cleaned the EGR valve and put the two wire on this connector, and you can see it's working. Okay guys, here's the new EGR valve. This is a brand new one, and here's the part number. So I ordered two gaskets, one gasket in here and the one is here. This is the old one. Going to put the other gasket. Okay guys, finally we installed the EGR valve. So then I have to put back the connector. Hi guys, after install the EGR valve, so we're going to start the car. Okay, you can see the still check engine light is on, traction control light is on. So we're going to erase the code. Now we're going to clear the code. Okay, code is clear. And restart the car. All good. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We'll see you in the next one.